Ladies and gentlemen, the solar wind has arrived. As expected, Earth has entered a stream of solar wind flowing from an equatorial hole in the sun's atmosphere. So, expect earthquake and volcano activity to be elevated. You know what I'm saying? And the solar wind plus earthquake activity in March so far has been too legit to quit. We've still got a ton of earthquakes going on near New Zealand, and we've been getting some earthquake activity in other areas. I'm going to point this one out. This one seemed weird. 5.2 off the coast of Africa. It's just a strange spot, man. And so right now, most of the larger earthquake activity is on the west side of the Ring of Fire. Will it shift? I don't know. Stay tuned. At the moment, we have been actively watching the March 10th through the 22nd area for very active weather. And the latest model run creates kind of a weird situation. Instead of getting 4 or 5 storms in a 10-day period, we just get 2 storms. Now, I want to watch here. Watch how for like 60 hours, rain hangs around this general area, which is very strange to me. And so it doesn't get the very large storm. Like the high pressure literally pushes all that moisture down. So the south would not be getting a lot of rain, which is great news for them. They're way too wet and are still dealing with river flooding issues. But I want to point out again, right now, the models, and this could change, they force a lot of the rain. It just kind of hangs there. This period, look at how it just kind of sits there. That's going to cause a lot of problems, possibly if this doesn't change, for Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas, possibly Illinois. But we're still like 5-6 days out, so we will continue to watch, and these are going to have severe weather components to them. But we are pretty sure that the Ides of March are going to be really severe weathery. And so we are just watching the model runs for specific patterns that may continue to emerge. And looking at the vorticity map, we're still definitely expecting severe weather around the Ides of March. And that will push to the northeast, and then we will probably get another severe weather storm about 5 or 6 days after that. Right there you go. So the first one would be more south, and that one looks nasty. This one would be around the 22nd. Could bring a lot of severe weather for a lot of people. Sidebar. All right, so if you were going to travel from Houston to DFW in the modern age, would you take a bus or an airplane if you had no other choice? If you have any advice or opinion, please put it in the comment section below. Florida got a ton of hail today. Oh, hell no. But hell yes. Shoveling in Daytona Beach, Florida. This dude is shoveling hail off of his walkway. Apparently, they don't even sell shovels in Florida. So this guy must have smuggled it in from Canada or something. It's still a joke from Bill Cairns. And yeah, of course they sell regular shovels in Florida. Probably to shovel up all that alligator poop. Or is it crocodile poop? I forget. Stalactites, stalagmites, alligators, crocodiles. Record tides, Salt Lake City Airport. It's 70 degrees today. Tying the previous record for the date, previously set in 2020. Melissa Constanzer is sensing some people taking sick time for spring fever forecast this week. Yeah, and I have cabin fever and spring fever. And, so if I'm acting kind of weird, that's why. But yeah, so this area, Tuesday and Wednesday, is going to get a big warm up, 10 to 20 degrees above normal. Yeehaw. Matt Hugo loves to drive a Yugo. Is taking a quick look at the 00ZEC and next week's low. all come down to the jet stream and its interaction with the initial surface low. It's for Europe. Hey, Europe, what's up, Europeans? It certainly looks like the low could get on the cold side or the diffluent side of the jet, which aids rapid deepening. Definitely one to watch Wednesday and Tuesday. Oh, and super duper shout out to Colleen and all of Asteroid Fight Club. You guys have put me within like $134 of hitting March goal. And I'm now talking about taking either a bus or a plane to go north. So that is very exciting. Get to see my mama. And my dog, Bubba. I miss Bubba. Bubba's the best dog ever. I might be tied with your dog. Dogs are great. Yeah. So should I videotape when I see him? Because I'm pretty sure he'll recognize me and get all emotional. We'll see, though. Some moments we should share for ourselves. Yeah, remember how they want to move hurricane season up? There's a weird thing. It's off the coast. I don't think we'll get a March hurricane, but I would think we could get a June one for sure. All right, Europe, I'm watching for you because you guys are going to be getting quite a bit of rain. It looks like we've got wave after wave after wave coming in. So there's a big bang, bang right there. There's another bang, bang right there. You're getting a lot of banged, bang. And then there's that giant low that just kind of floats over y'all. And then here comes more rain, and then more rain. And then it's just tons of rain for Europe. So, crikey. Or is that Australian? The sun is slowly waking up. We're down to one sunspot now, but we got another bigger one on the way. And then I think this one has the potential to possibly grow. And then that one might also. So we will stay tuned because that's what we do. Apparently, it is snowing in parts of Russia. So yeah, I'm not a gloomy doomer negative Nancy, but the volcano and earthquake situation is super off the chain. Volcano hotspot, some mighty fountaining at the Pacaya volcano, and that is in Guatemala. New Caledonia got grazed by a typhoon, which is good news that it didn't hit them directly. And New Caledonia is just north of New Zealand. So there's definitely a lot of energy and activity happening in that area. Man, it's the weekend, so make sure that negative vibes get the fudge out of here. You know what I'm saying? I've had enough negativity in the last year and a half alone to fill up a lifetime. I guess I'm ready for a fun spring and a fun summer. But hey, there's a spectacular night and early morning, March 6th, at the Merapi volcano in Indonesia. They had frequent rockfall from the lava dome. Yeah, so remember, I had guesstimated that we will see increased earthquake and volcano activity definitely through 2023 until Jupiter gets on the other side of the sun. Go. Oh, microphone problems. Whoa. What? Are we good? We're good. All right, I fixed it. Culture volcano, the Suwan-Shijima volcano, is also having strombolian activity, and it remains relatively sustained at the summit crater. So, lots of volcano activity. But at the moment, the Pacaya, seems to be taking the cake. Yeah. I mean, it is definitely, and this is in Guatemala, which is in Central America. And so, the West Coast, USA, is definitely having heat and droughty. Will we see a West Coast volcano activity in 2021? Maybe. Definitely maybe. But it will definitely probably be a really bad fire season this year. That would be my guess. So it seems like in Indonesia, in Italy, and in Guatemala/Mexico, the three volcanoes are fighting to see which one can take the gold medal in 2021. And quite a battle we are having. Or they're having. We're just watching. I just woke up a little while ago. I'm on the night shift. I actually slept for 11 hours, which is weird. For like weeks, I've been sleeping for like 2 hours or 3 hours at a time. And so I'm feeling a little groggy, a little weird, and I'll try and catch up on things and keep you guys posted. If you do have an opinion about bus or plane, let me know. All right, everybody stay cool. I love y'all. Y'all are amazing. And I'll talk to y'all in the near future. This is what I do. Thank y'all again for being amazing. I love you. You guys are amazing. Peace out. God bless everyone.